Samsung foldables might be about to get a real shakeup. New buzz says Samsung isn't just tweaking the next Fold, they could be setting up something bigger for the next lineup, and it starts with what the Z Fold 8 might turn into. The rumor is Samsung could drop two different versions of the Galaxy Z Fold 8. Not a new colorway situation, like two actual takes on the same phone. So what's different between them? One of the biggest upgrades people are talking about is weight. The standard Galaxy Z Fold 8 could land around 200G, which would be way lighter than older folds, and yeah, that matters the second it's in your hand. A lighter fold could finally feel comfortable for daily use, which is something foldable fans have been begging for. And Samsung's also expected to refine the design and slim it down, but there's another version that could be the real curveball. Because there's also a rumor about a brand new wide version of the Fold 8. The idea is simple. A wider inner display, so when you open it up, it feels more like an actual tablet, and that changes how you'd use it. More width means more room for multitasking, watching videos, gaming, and productivity apps, basically all the stuff people buy folds for. And if the screen feels more tablet-like, it gets way closer to being a legit tablet replacement. But there's still the classic fold problem, the crease. It's one of the biggest complaints with foldables, and Samsung may finally be taking a real swing at it. The rumor is a dual UTG structure, and that UTG part is a key detail. UTG is ultra-thin glass, and the dual-layer setup could reportedly cut crease visibility by up to 20%. If that actually plays out, the Fold 8 could feel a lot smoother and more premium, especially once you hear who's backing this up. Ice Universe says Samsung is testing a new foldable display that looks noticeably better than what we have now. Even more interesting, the improvement is visible when you look at the screen from an angle, which sounds small until you've used a fold. According to Ice Universe, this panel is nearly crease-free from a professional standpoint, and display quality is noticeably improved compared to past generations. And the guess is Samsung might be using its most advanced materials, possibly M14 OLED. If it really is M14 OLED tech, the expectation is higher brightness, better color accuracy, improved efficiency, and a longer lifespan. And with Chinese competitors pushing crease reduction and thin designs hard lately, this would be Samsung trying to reclaim the lead. But when would we see it? Ice Universe says this new display could debut in the Galaxy Z Fold 8, expected next year. And the leak also calls out the wide fold, which sounds like Samsung's answer to one of the biggest fold complaints, the narrow outer screen. Now let's talk cameras. With the Galaxy Z Fold 7 last summer, Samsung finally gave the Fold line some long-awaited camera improvements, and it looks like they're planning to keep that momentum going on the Z Fold 8. Galaxy Club reports Samsung's next premium foldable, expected to be called the Galaxy Z Fold 8, may pull camera hardware ideas from the Galaxy S lineup. Telephoto and ultrawide are tipped to get upgrades, while some parts stay exactly the same. The telephoto supposedly keeps 3x optical zoom, but jumps from 10 megapixels to 12 megapixels, possibly the same telephoto sensor used in the Galaxy S26 Ultra this year. The ultrawide could go from 12 megapixels on the Fold 7 to a sharp 50 megapixels, but the 200 megapixel main camera and 10 megapixel selfie cameras are expected to stay.